Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy. That's me, Dr. Sidharth Arora. Friends, 1 day is left, 1 day, for the huge Unacademy Civil Services Championship. इसको है ना इग्नोर मत करना, इसको मिस मत करना. क्यों? क्योंकि इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेयर डू यू एक्चुअली स्टैंड? बहुत सारे लोग सिर्फ एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, कभी इस बात को नहीं ऑब्जर्व करते कि वेयर इज द कॉम्पिटिशन, वेयर आर यू. तुम अपने ही कोजी वर्ल्ड में रहते हो, कभी कभी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, कभी कभी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. डोंट डू दिस. Number one, you get an opportunity to know where this country, the entire country is going to participate in this. Second, you stand a chance of winning scholarships and awards worth 15 crore rupees and above. Everyone who will participate will get a participation certificate. This is a great opportunity. Use my code SIDLIVE, SIDLIVE. SIDLIVE मेरा code use करो and participate in this huge championship. Sirf 1 day to go. 27th March is the Unacademy Civil Services Championship. In the words of Unacademy, let's crack it. Until next time, God bless, thank you and Jai Hind.